にちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Grammar video number 33 of JLPT N4, and this is part 9 of intransitive verb and transitive verbs. In the previous video, I talked about 3 rules and also 8 patterns between 自動詞 and 他動詞. And today I'm going to tell you 3 more patterns. The first pattern of today, intransitive verbs, when the ending is u, then changes into eru in transitive verbs. Something opens, something が開く or something が開く. And in the transitive verb, I open something. something を開ける、開ける、得る。something is in order. something が片付く。and I put away something. something を片付ける。or I tidy up something. something を片付ける。The sound of う changes into 得る。These verbs are new for you, so I'm gonna explain. 片付く This is group 1. It means 片付く、片付きます、片付いて、片付いた、片付かない。The room is organized. The room is tidied up. In this case, this is the state. So we must use te form of this intransitive verb. 片付いて、片付いて and 言います。It means, oh, it is tidied up. 部屋が片付いています。はい。部屋が片付いています。Now let's see one example using transitive verb. 片付ける。It means someone put away something. Put away your toys, okay? おもちゃを片付けてね。おもちゃを片付けてね。Someone grows up. Someone が育つ。or something grows. Something が育つ intransitive verb and the sound of う。And now the transitive one, 得る。育てる。It means I raise something or I bring up someone. These verbs have got the same patterns. う to 得る。育つ う sound. 育てる 得る sound. And this is new verbs. So I'm gonna tell you some examples. I grew up in Tokyo. 東京で育ちました。東京で育ちました。To bring up children is joyful, but tough. 子供を育てることは楽しいですが大変です。子供を育てることは楽しいですが大変です。Someone stands up. Someone が立つ intransitive verb, the sound of う and transitive one, 得る sound, 立てる It means to set upright or I stand something upright. A man stands up. 男の人が立ちます。男の人が立ちます。Let's stand up the doll like this. 人形を立てましょう。There are other verbs with the same pronunciation and the same intonation. 立つ、立てる。The only difference is the kanji. Even the conjugation is exactly the same. 立つ、立ちます。立って、立った、立たない。This kanji meaning, this comes from 建物。This 物 the thing, the things that are built. 建物 is all kind of buildings. The meaning, something が立つ something is built. And を建てる in this case, I build something. In these verbs, we use the particle に for the place. Some place に something を建てる or some place に something が立つ. A hospital will be built in a neighborhood. In a neighborhood, very near from here. 近所 because the kanji 近 this is 近い near ところ place near place from here neighborhood 近所近所近所に病院が立ちます近所に病院が立ちます I wanna build my house here ここに家を建てたいです。ここに家を建てたいです。Something sticks or something is attached. Something がつく。To attach something or to affix something or to apply, like to apply cream or to add something をつける transitive verb. This doesn't have any pockets. We say ポケット for pockets. ポケットがついていません。ポケットがついていません。You don't have to wear a mask anymore. A mask, we say マスク。もうマスクをつけなくてもいいです。もうマスクをつけなくてもいいです。The same pronunciation and intonation つける The only difference is kanji, but the meaning is different. With this kanji, something がつく it means something turns on by itself. And something をつける I turn on something. The light turns on by itself. 電気がつきます。I turn on the light. 電気をつけます。In both verbs, these are the group 1, so the conjugation is the same. つきます。ついて、ついた、つかない。Something continues. Something が続く sound. And I continue something. Something を続ける In many occasions, you can see 続く in the end of some chapters of some series. And 続く it means to be continued. Something arrives. Something が届く sound. And the transitive one, something を届ける sound. 届ける It means I deliver something or I send something. The packet doesn't arrive. 荷物が届きません。荷物が届きません。Please deliver this packet. この荷物を届けてください。この荷物を届けてください。To queue up. 並ぶ。Someone が並ぶ or something が並ぶ sound. And the transitive one, る sound. Something を並べる I line up something. The first pattern was this one. In intransitive verb to る in transitive verb. But now the second pattern, this is just the opposite, just the contrary. る when this is intransitive verb and this one is transitive verb. Something is audible. I can hear something. Something が聞 こえる and now the transitive one, う sound. 聞く I listen to something. Something を聞く I already made a video, number 13 of JLPT N4 about the difference between 聞こえる and 聞く. So you can watch that video because you will know it very, very in detail. Something is burned or something is roasted or something is baked. Something が焼ける intransitive one, える sound, and the transitive one, something をう sound, 焼く I burn something or I bake something or I toast or I roast something. Fish is already ready or fish is already grilled. 魚がもう焼けました。魚がもう焼けましたよ。A man is grilling fish. 男の人は魚を焼いています。男の人は魚を焼いています。The second pattern was える and changed to う。And now the third pattern, this is quite similar, but a little bit different. 言える with い。言える and the transitive one is る。言える into る。Something is visible. Something is in my sight. Something が見える。見える。言える。And the transitive one, something を見る。I look at something or I watch something. You can watch my grammar video number 12 of JLPT N4. And there I explain very in detail about 見える and 見る. Today you learned the last 3 patterns between 自動詞 intransitive verb and transitive verb. 他動詞. Now a quiz time with 10 intransitive verbs that I'm gonna tell you. Just the same way as the previous video. Then you must say what's the meaning of this intransitive verb. And then you must change into transitive verb and what's the meaning too. 1番目始まる始まる始まる。2番目開く開く開く。3番目立つ立つ立つ立つ。4番目治る治る治る治る。5番目見える見える見える。6番目聞こえる聞こえる聞こえる聞こえる。7番目折れる折れる折れる折れる。8番目焼ける焼ける焼ける焼ける。9番目続ける続ける続ける続ける。10番目最後です。届く届く届く。I hope these patterns can help you. But anyway, you don't have to worry to memorize them, okay? But if you know some of them, maybe that can help you. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. And if you can help me, please share my videos with your friends. いかがでしたか？今日も自動詞と他動詞の関係を勉強しました。いろいろなパターンがありましたよね。もちろん これらを全部暗記する必要はありませんよ。大丈夫。私も知りませんでした。でも私は日本人ですから、普通に何も考えないで自然に正しい動詞がパッと出てくるんですが、外国人の方にとってはもしかしたらこういうパターンを知っておくと便利かもしれませんね。このビデオが良かったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録お願いします。そしてもう一つお願いがあります。私のビデオをお友達やご家族、他に日本語を勉強しているお友達にも紹介してくださったら本当に嬉しいです。ぜひシェアしてください。ではまた次のビデオでお会いできるのを楽しみにしています。じゃあまたね。